Hello, Greg from Balloon Market here, and welcome to BMTV Balloon Basics with the wonderful Kerry Ferguson from Cortex. Kerry, hello.
Hello.
And what you're going to show us today is something you showed us on a show about super stuffing, and that was you created some hats for our gonks, didn't you?
Yeah.
And you did that using a heat sealer, but on a balloon that's bigger than the heat sealer. So that's what you're going to show us now.
Yeah, so I used two balloons. I had the North Star Tilda.
Yep.
And I needed to adapt it by cutting off a bit of it with a heat sealer.
Okay.
And I also used the taper. And again, I removed the bottom layer. So I just wanted to show you on the North Star Tilda how I did that.
Okay.
Because it is bigger than the actual
heating element, I guess you call it.
Yes, yes, definitely. So what I want to do, I'm just going to show you here, is I want this nice curve. So I'm literally just going to remove this bottom section here.
Okay, across that line.
Yeah, so when you're heat sealing, you need to be really careful that you're not going to affect the valve. So in the taper, you need to make sure you heat seal the top, not the bottom, because else you won't be able to put the valve in to inflate. So it's important to recognise where the valve is first. Okay, so with that, we're just going to slide this in. And like I said, we're just getting rid of this bit here. So I'm just going to slide him as far as he would go and then push down until the light goes on and remove. Now, as you can see, it's only coming to here. So if I inflated this now, it would come through. So I'm going to flip it over, slide it back in. Now, don't worry too much if you don't get an exact line across, because what I like to do to make sure is just do another line just underneath anyway.
Okay.
So I'm going to do it again on this side, so I've got this bit done first. Take it back out, flip it over. So it's actually really easy to do. You just need to make sure when you're putting the foil into the heat sealer, it's nice and flat. If it's a bit ruffled, then it will be hard to obviously stick that together.
Okay.
So now we've got that. It's going to pop our pump in. Try and go as fast as I can for you.
Always amazes me when you use a hand pump. It seems to be going really slowly and then all of a sudden it's full.
So there we go. As you can see, we've now got this nice hat shape. Now, I don't like to cut really close to this edge. I like to cut just below, and you don't have to be really neat with it because it's almost like a little fringe on the hat. So yeah, literally just cut this bit off here and there you have it.
Scissors, just cut that off.
Yep.
Job done. Okay.
Job done. And I would just then, again, with the mechanics, just literally a bit of balloon bond on the back, take that back.
Perfect.
And that's it.
Kerry, thank you so much.
Thank you.
There you go.